Don't let nobody tell you you can't get all this goodness from a boxed cake mix. Check it out. Let's make some cake. Sift your cake mix. Add 3 eggs, half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of vanilla into 1 cup of milk. Now add your milk, 2 tablespoons of instant pudding. Mix for 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds. That's it. 1 tablespoon of sour cream, or you can use yogurt. Mix for 1.5 minutes. Oil your pan well. Batter in. Tap. Tap again. Refill the oven. Timer 33 minutes. Don't lick the bowl. Let's make some buttercream. 1.5 sticks of butter softened. Cocoa powder. Sift in powdered sugar. Add milk. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Now these you can lick. Microwave the buttercream for 30 seconds till pourable. Perfect. Look at that. Take it from your girl. We did that. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Shake and Bake and Blog.